Have you been always told by someone that you look like your mother, or you look like your father, or you look like your grandparents, one of your grandparents? Or sometimes you become so much like your role models, you almost become like them, and you start thinking, behaving, copying them. Have you ever come across that phenomenon? Now, I'll tell you why I'm talking about this. A few weeks ago, I met one of my coaching clients, healing and coaching clients, on Zoom, and she was afraid that she might be having diabetes. Now, she's just 28-year-old, but she called me in a frenzy, panicky state, and she was really afraid of that. And I asked her, "What makes you think that?" And she said, "Because my both parents have had diabetes, my grandparents have had diabetes, and I think it is hereditary." Now, as a energy healer practitioner and as someone who is an access consciousness practitioner, we call this biomimetic and biomimetic mimicry. And this is a very important concept which we learn in Access Foundation and also in Access Body Processes. And I'm going to today talk about what if you could change what we call as genetics from your body. And studies have shown that these processes, if they are done well, if they are done like 200, 300, 1000 times, they can completely change the concept of hereditary. And you know what will happen? You will stop having those diseases, because according to studies, you end up mimicking someone, you mimic their psychology, you mimic their physiology, and you lock it in your body. You mimic their ways of life, you mimic the way they walk, you mimic the way they talk, and all this happens at a subconscious level, and this can be changed. I'm going to talk about this in today's video. This is Ashwini Chube, Access Consciousness Facilitator, and I'm also a motivational speaker, personal growth coach, and a spiritual teacher. And if you're watching this video, before we go ahead, do subscribe, like, share, and follow me if you're watching me for more such videos. So what is exactly this biomimetic mimicry? So when you're born in a family, you tend to mimic the energy pathways of, say, your parents, your father or your mother. You also create the biochemical pathways after you mimic the energy pathways. Now what happens is this creates a structure in your body and your body locks it. And over a period of time, you tend to feel that you are just started becoming like your mother or like your father. You know, I always say that many times we say it very subconsciously, "Oh, I'm just like my dad. Oh, I'm just like my mom. Or I'm just like my grandpa." But what are you actually doing is, when you are just like someone, you are also copying their pains pathways. So if you have a parent who had a back issue, and if you continuously keep saying that "I'm just like her," imagine what you're doing. You are creating those physical issues in your body. And science may call it genetics. The place from where I come in as an energy healer, I would always say that in Access Consciousness we talk about biomimetic mimicry, which means when you mimic someone, you tend to become so much like them that you lock it in your body. Now, when you are trying to lock it in your body, you're duplicating them. And biomimetic, the word biomimetic means it is what you lock into your body trying to duplicate or understand others. The word biomimetic means how you try to locate yourself in space of another. So many times we try to change ourselves to fit into a relationship. We see a lot of people try to fit themselves in, which means they change. Because we've been told that in order to adjust, we have to change. But what if you could be you? And you need not be your mother, you need not be your father, because you're you, right? So we run this process called, it's a body process which you learn in an Access Advanced Body Process class. To learn that, you need to learn Access Bars first and Access Foundation class. Only then you can do an Access Body class. But I always tell this to my clients who receive bars or who receive body processes from me. I tell them that, we can always run this on you. But when you try and understand that you can completely erase, when you read it, when you do it, when you run this process 200 to 300 times. So how does one run a process? In Access Consciousness, we call it running a process. There are some particular points in our physical body where we touch and we say some kind of clearings which may sound like affirmations, and when we say that, you run the process. It is that simple, because your body is a smart chap. It understands everything. It understands what needs to be done. So you have to do this process like 200, 300, 500 times, because until you run that, your body is not going to understand. And it might take a long time, but after that, you will get into a sense of peace and you will erase a lot of things which have been programmed. Imagine how much of your what they call as the heredity problems will get solved. This works. To know more, log on to www.accessconsciousness.com. Search for a body process class close to you in your town. And I think in today's world, where there is so much chaos happening about health, disease, people are scared, people are afraid, I always tell this to everyone. Eventually, we all will become healers and heal ourselves without being too much dependent on the external environment. How does it get even better than this? So if you are watching this video right now, and if you are worried that you might have a problem which your mother had, your grandmother had, your grandfather had, it's a great idea to choose a body process. Well, as a body process practitioner, I also help my candidates, my clients, to run body processes on them. But if you want to empower yourself more, I would say, please explore, read about it, learn about it. Trust me, it will change your life. This is Ashwini Chube. I hope you like this video and I hope you take back a lot of knowledge from this. Thank you very much.